Good evening. Welcome to another weekly forecast. I hope you're doing well. Today is the 29th of October. It's a Saturday evening, and I'm recording this forecast for coming week. I think October is done. We are moving into November, so should be exciting. Right, let's start with the dollar index. So on dollar index, last week I anticipated us moving into um, these two fair value gaps on the downside, and they actually did. I wanted to see some reaction off from the levels to see if we can trade higher, but it couldn't give me any reaction, so we continued to stay bearish until this low was taken. Now, to me, this is a bounce, and I'm looking for a run for this equal low. All right, so going into this week, I'm looking for between Monday to Thursday price down here, and then maybe the NFP might reject price to go up. All right, so Monday to Thursday, I'm looking for a run for this equal low. Right, it might probably require them to take out this high and then go down. So preferably, I want to see them run up and make everybody think that it's going up, and then reject and send it back down for this equal low. Okay, so that will give you a run to the upside on the euro. So euro, I'm looking for pullback. As you can see, my range defined, so either here or below this low. I'm looking for a buy to up there, fill this void in, and then potentially this equal high. All right, so I'm looking for a buy on euro going into the week, and that can also give a small run to the upside, and then down, and then up, preferably down first and then we go up. New Zealand, I'm looking for a run to 0.59295. This imbalance in here, clinical high. I don't think we have a breaking market structure here, so pull back maybe to close in or fill in this small little imbalance in here. We have a small one down here. I would prefer this one, and then send us higher for this level. Aussie, same thing. Nice equal high over here. Nice reaction off from this bearish order block. It was Thursday, formed the high of the week, and basically I anticipated them coming down to this and then potentially trading down here for next week. So next week I'm looking for a run for this equal high. We have a small, again, little imbalance up in here. That's where I'll probably look to target, but this equal high will be the main target for me. So what I want is a small kind of drop, maybe between Monday and Tuesday in here, and then rejection, breaking structure on the 1 hour or 15 minutes, and then I'll look for a run to this high. Oil, long term, I'm down here looking for price to go down there, but short term, maybe it might require them to go up. If they want to go higher than this, then I'm looking for that area. Okay, because I anticipated that if we don't form a swing high, then they're gonna continue going up, because this will end up being OTE. I did get some few buys on this, especially on Wednesday. I had a nice buy in here to send me above this equal high. So I'm gonna look for a continuation. We do also have, and then that small little gap there this week or next week. Today's Saturday, so that's next week. Next week I'm looking for price to trade up here again. Anything coming down, I'll consider it as a pullback, and then I'll buy it. Nice gap, and then that high, and then up there I'll anticipate price coming back down again. Gold, last week I wanted to see them trade up for this equal high. That didn't happen. This week I got a nice buy to this equal high, right? And they decided to come back down again. my eye is still right here. Okay, I've not changed my bias until I see something different. So going into next week, this low to this high, I'm using that as a range, right? And 70.5 or 79 retracement level, nice equal high over here. So that might give us a potential buy to go up. If we don't and we run all the way down to this low, then I'll look for this imbalance down here, right? If we don't go up from here and we break this, I look for that to get a reaction off from it. So if we give up this low, I'll look for a pullback and then I'll sell to go in there, or I'll anticipate a low form in there and I'll trade it back into closing some of the imbalance that it will leave on its way down. But I don't go with that yet until this one fails. So I'm looking for this to go back up again. Euro this pair is kind of stuck in some weird price action over here. So I'm gonna wait till Monday and then see what I'll get. Based on what I get on Monday, it'll give me a good idea what to do going into the rest of the week. Euro Aussie, this is my draw on liquidity. It's a daily imbalance that I want that to be filled down here and then resume going up, because I have not seen any real breaking structure yet. So I want to see them trade down into that and then send it higher. On the upside, have that small gap over there. That's where I think price might reach for. So beginning of the week down towards midweek to end of the week back up again. Okay. There was a nice 1 hour trade that I got on Friday, but I had to close it because it was Friday. But this is the level I'm looking at going into Monday on that to reject low resistance down here into that level, and then I'll expect price to reject. And let's go to over here. EuroCAD, I'll be on the sidelines at the beginning of the week. Let me put you onto the trades that I'm currently anticipating for the rest of the month of November. So for the month of November, I'm looking for price to go up here. So there's a room to the upside. It's a seasonal trade that I usually take. So I'm looking for that run up there. Okay, we have a low broke above it, so we are bullish. It might require to retrace. I don't want to see that. I want to see them leave probably this gap open and then just run for the upside. So that's a good trade to be in. Aussie CAD, same thing. I'm looking for price to go up. I like the fact that we've managed to close back above this low. Usually what I do is I'll measure the high to the low. Okay, and then I'll look for price to run to 50%. So this candle break down that candle's high. That's where I would like to see price go to. So again, bit of room to the upside. I like the retracement that happened on Friday, Thursday and Friday. On the H4, it has created a nice equal high over here. So I'm looking at this as a pullback, and then I'm looking for a buy. And you can see that high, it has a very nice gap up here that needs to be filled. So I'll be expecting that going forward. Bitcoin, on the daily time frame, I think they might go and close in this void. Nice buy we got on the lower time frame this morning over here. OTE run to go and attack this equal high. So I'm looking for price to go and close in the void. All right. On Ethereum, I think they're gonna close in this small little gap. So expect a continuation to this candle's low. Ripple, I had a level down here that I was anticipating a buy, but price couldn't get there. Ripple, I think Ripple will be the strongest of the cryptos because it's managed to close above a monthly down candle. So looking at this candle's low as a next draw on liquidity based on the monthly chart, right? So look for buys on Ripple. All right, and pretty much that's it. Short and sweet. I'll see you guys during the course of the week. Maybe this week I might give a price action lesson regarding the closing price on the daily time frame, or I'll probably do a YouTube live because I haven't done one in ages. So stay tuned and I'll see you. Take care.